Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kalutec Power Solutions. In this video, we're going to learn how to connect a main energy meter to multiple sub-energy meters. Step by step. This wiring system is widely used in apartments, hostels, and commercial buildings to monitor electricity usage separately for each room or tenant. Let's get started. First, let's look at the main components used in this setup. We have one main energy meter, 4 sub-energy meters, 4 63-amp circuit breakers, labeled CB1 to CB4, and 4 miniature circuit breakers, labeled MCB1 to MCB4. Each sub-meter will supply power to a separate room, Room 1, Room 2, Room 3, and Room 4. Now, let's start with the main energy meter. The input terminals of the main meter receive the incoming supply, both phase and neutral wires. From the output side of the main meter, the phase line is distributed to all the sub-meters through the circuit breakers, CB1 to CB4. This means each circuit breaker provides individual protection to each sub-energy meter. The neutral wire from the main supply is connected in parallel to all sub-meters. Next, let's understand the sub-meter connections. Each circuit breaker output goes to one sub-energy meter. For example, CB1 connects to sub-meter 1, CB2 connects to sub-meter 2, CB3 connects to sub-meter 3, and CB4 connects to sub-meter 4. This way, each sub-meter gets a dedicated line and is fully protected by its circuit breaker. From the output side of every sub-energy meter, the power passes through an MCB, a miniature circuit breaker, before it is supplied to the respective load or room. So, sub-meter 1 goes through MCB1 to room 1, sub-meter 2 through MCB2 to room 2, sub-meter 3 through MCB3 to room 3, and sub-meter 4 through MCB4 to room 4. This structure ensures each room has both energy monitoring and individual overload protection. Now, let's quickly understand how this system works. The main energy meter measures the total energy consumption for the entire building. Each sub-energy meter measures the usage of its corresponding room or section. This allows you to easily track energy consumption and manage separate electricity billing for each room. Before wrapping up, here are a few safety tips. Always turn off the power before performing any wiring work. Use cables of proper size according to the current rating. Ensure all connections are tight, properly insulated, and tested before switching on power. If you are not confident or experienced, always consult a qualified electrician. And that's it. That's how you wire a main energy meter to multiple sub-energy meters safely and efficiently. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to Kalutec Power Solutions for more electrical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.